What's going on, Ghost Squad? Trey here, the Ghost Tactical, and today we're going to do some drills for those that might be new to the AR platform or just kind of don't practice a whole lot with it, but are looking for some great drills. We're gonna go through a couple of them that might help you be a little more proficient, kind of get used to quick target acquisition, maybe even doing some transitioning, all sorts of stuff, some reloads and all of that good stuff. So if you're out there, once again, these drills you can do at the range. You can also do them dry fire if you want. You don't have to go live necessarily to worry about mag changes and target acquisition and all that. So if you're at home and you don't have access to a range, something like that, you can always do these in a safe environment, unloaded and cleared, obviously. But you can do these at home as well. Dry firing is just as important as getting to lead down range. So the first thing we want to do before we even get the triggers pulled and all that is be familiar with this weapon system. And obviously the AR-15 is a very popular weapon system for a lot of different reasons. But the modularity of it, you can kind of really get it how you want it to with all the different attachments and accessories and all that. But when it comes down to it, the great thing about the AR-15 platform is it's very simplistic. It is a very simple and easy firing weapon system to get used to and to be very, very accurate with. It very much is a lightweight rifle. Even with all this stuff on here, it's relatively lightweight, for me at least, you know, but it is a great weapon system to have for training, self-defense, hunting, you know, the sport, shooting sports, all of that. They're wonderful rifles to have. So the first thing we want to do before anything is just get accustomed to whatever sight you have, whether you're using iron sights or a red dot or, you know, an LPVO or a scope, whatever it is, whatever you have. I've got the EOTech holographic here, but whatever you have on there, just make sure that you are accustomed to it, finding that dot or that reticle very quickly and be able to get quick shots on range, because ultimately that is the idea, is to get quick, accurate shots on target, whatever it is, whether it's a threat, whether it's hunting, whether it's competitive shooting, getting quick, accurate shots downrange and on target. So the first thing you want to do is, like I said, it's real simple. No, you know, this is nothing you have to do with any ammo right now. It is clear, but just boom, find that reticle, boom, find that reticle. Some people like to get down low, some people like to stay up tall and bring that to their face. I like to get a little bit more crunched over because I feel more like I can move a little bit. If I'm standing too straight up, it's hard to get any lateral or movement at all. So I like to kind of get here, find that reticle, boom, I'm good to go. Find that reticle, I'm good to go. So you can do that without even pulling a trigger. The next step is to actually pull a trigger. So the best way to go is to start from low ready, and we're going to just engage, boom, pull up, take 3 shots, put it back on safe, drop it. Low ready, pull up, 3 shots, and so on and so forth. So let's take a look at that. All right, so now that we're familiar with getting our sight locked in, getting from the low ready, getting 3 quick shots on there from the low ready, getting those targets acquired and led down range, the next thing we're going to talk about is doing a mag change. Okay, so if you're going to use something like this, whether it's a plate carrier or just maybe a chest rig, or you have your mags on your belt, whatever it is, you know, you're going to be able to have quick access to those magazines, and from there you'll just be able to switch them out. Okay, so we're going to take like 2 or 3 shots, boom, reload, 2 or 3 shots. Well, guys, like I said, these are basic drills, but there's something that are out there that people may not know, that you can do this without being at a range. Like I said, dry firing is just as important as getting lead down range. Now, obviously, we got to get some lead down range to make sure that we're being accurate, but as far as the mechanics and just the movements Yeah, you can do that dry firing. So if you don't have a range that you can get to on an everyday basis, work it out in the house. Just make sure you're getting some work done, several times a week. And I'm saying every day, but several times a week is going to make you at least a lot more proficient in all of that. Try to get to the range as much as you can, and you don't have to do anything crazy. You don't have to go running, gunning, shoot behind cover, and all of that stuff, all the Rambo and all that. Just make sure you're getting good quality work in with good quality practice, okay? So that's really what we're talking about right now, is just getting some good drills in and all that. So guys, I hope you are enjoying your time with your family during this Christmas season and all that. More importantly, get out to the range, be more proficient with your firearms, and be safe and have fun. Semper Fi.